How to get your ex back. In this video I will share you 16 tips on how to get your ex back. So let's get started. So the first tip I am going to share with you is number one, understand the breakup. What did each of you do to contribute to the breakup? Most relationship troubles do not crop up unexpectedly but build up over time. The odds are good that it wasn't a one-sided problem, and that were signs that it was coming. Take some time to some do soul researching before you attempt to get your ex back. To want to make sure you do not waste time or energy on something futile. Tip number 2, recall who initiated the breakup. Was it you? If so, did you do what did you do after careful throw, or in a fit of anger that now regret? Was it your ex, and did she have specific reasons? Was it a mutual decision? Tip number 3, interpret your emotions. In the plain and confusing confusion of a breakup, it can be easy to confuse your emotion, interpreting feelings of loneliness and hurt as evidence that you need your ex back in your life. In fact, almost everyone who experiences a breakup initially feels remorse for the lost relationship, coupled with feelings of anxiety, guilt, depression, and loneliness. Generally, the more serious the relationship was, the more severe these feelings tends to be. Couples who are married or cohabiting intend to have the worst breakups, whereas those who are casually dating tend to have easier uh, time in the aftermath of a breakup. But the severity of your feelings do not automatically mean that you should get back together with your ex. Tip number 4, avoid contact for the first month after the breakup. They will call you if they want to talk. If they don't, nothing you say or where it change that. Sometimes ignoring your ex makes them feel like you are you are perfectly fine without them, and are moving on, which is the exact opposite of what they want. Tip number 5, focus on yourself. Hang out with your friends, throw yourself into work and other extracurricular activities. You don't want uh, to seem needy or like you are waiting for your ex to contact you again. Tip number 6, do not pursue your ex during this time. That means no calling, texting, or asking around about how she or he or she is doing. Most importantly, do not ask your ex questions about why the breakup happened, or about whether he or she is seeing anyone. This comes across as desperate. Tip number 7, find out if they are still interested. Before you start trying to win back your ex hurts, you need to know whether he or she still cares or not. Knowing if your ex still cares you is the first important clue and hint that things can be mended. Tip number 8, work on your self esteem. If you struggle with neediness, you are probably a little lacking in self esteem department. You might be looking for your ex to make you feel better about yourself, but the fact is that you are the only person who can really do that. You shouldn't base your happiness on someone else. It makes them feel guilty, obligated, and eventually resentful towards you. Tip number 9, be the person your ex fell in love with. Try to think back to when the two of you first got together. What about you did he or she loves? Was it your quirky jokes, or maybe your amazing sense of style? Whatever it may be, try to rekindle the fire the same way the flame was started before. Tip number 7, improve your appearance. Get a few times of clothing, alter your hairstyle, hit the gym, or do your nails. Make yourself stand out and seem fresh for what your ex remembers of you. Spend Tip number 11, spend time with other people. If you don't need to sleep with them, but spending time with other men or women will let your ex know that you are on the market for a relationship again. If they are still interested, they may decide it is time to step in and stop you from looking elsewhere. Tip number 12, usually hang out with your ex. Do not do something not committal, like having a drink with friends or play miniature golf, including him or her with others. Make it something friends and first dates alike can do. And whatever it is, keep it fun and skip out the serious talks for now. Tip number 13, ask your ex to talk with you. After you have taken time to together as friend, it is time to have an honest talk about your history together and whether or not there might be a romantic future. Tip number 14, use the past of your to your advantage. If your ex really likes a certain outfit of yours, wear it again. Share a light-hearted memory out you had together. Meet at a familiar place you used to hang out together. Tip number 15, prepare your words. The first thing that you should say to your ex is extremely important. If you say the wrong words, you will lose the chance to get them back. You need to understand that even though you are not together, there is a good chance they still harbor strong feelings for you. Tip number 16, apologize. Think deeply about anything you did or didn't do that somehow contribute to the downfall of the relationship, and clean the slate by giving your ex a proper apology. Take full responsibility for this offense. You're blaming your ex, giving excuses, or expecting an apology or even forgiveness in return. It it may very well be that your ex contributed to the situation, but you cannot apologize for someone else. You can only apologize for yourself. Leave him or her uh, out of it, and odds are the apology will be reciprocated. So these are the 16 tips which you can follow to get your ex back. If you want to know a proven strategy which will make your ex back come to you, then click the link in the video description down in the description below, and you will know how to get your ex back in a few easy steps. So thank you.